Hello students, welcome to video teaching. It's chemistry for class 10. In chemistry we are reading about useful compounds prepared from sodium chloride. In this section we discussed the preparation properties and uses of caustic soda and washing soda. Next is baking soda. In this video, I will discuss the preparation properties and usage of baking soda. Baking soda is chemically sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate. Chemical formula is NaHCO3. The chemical name of baking soda is sodium bicarbonate. Its molecular formula is NaHCO3. It is so called as is used as a component of as a constituent of baking powder. Baking soda is the main constituent of baking powder. So it is named baking soda. Okay. Now let's see the preparation of baking soda. How is it prepared? So in preparation of baking soda, sodium chloride solution, concentrated, cold concentrated solution of sodium chloride. It is also called brine solution. The cold concentrated brine or cold concentrated solution of sodium chloride is used as raw material, starting. And this solution is reacted with ammonia and carbon dioxide. By chemical reaction, baking soda, sodium hydrogen carbonate and ammonium chloride are formed as product. On larger scale, baking powder is prepared by the reaction of carbon dioxide and ammonia gas with cold concentrated brine solution. Right? When ammonia gas and carbon dioxide gas are passed simultaneously into cold concentrated solution of sodium chloride, sodium hydrogen carbonate and ammonium chloride are formed as product. Sodium hydrogen carbonate is baking soda. It is insoluble in water, form PPT, precipitate. So it can be separated by filtration. Okay, here sodium of the two products, sodium hydrogen carbonate and ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride is soluble in water, it forms aqueous solution, while sodium hydrogen carbonate is sparingly soluble in water, slightly soluble in water, means almost insoluble. Right? So it forms precipitate, and the precipitate can be separated by filtration. It is filtered and dried to obtain baking soda. This reaction is the first step of preparation of washing soda also. In preparation of washing soda from brine, sodium chloride solution. This is the first step. Right? The first step, chemical reaction, which takes place in the first step of preparation of washing soda. Okay? So how baking soda is prepared? Baking soda is prepared by the reaction of carbon dioxide and ammonia gas with cold concentrated brine solution. Sodium hydrogen carbonate and ammonium chloride are obtained as product. Here is the equation representing the reaction of the two products. Sodium hydrogen carbonate is slightly soluble in water, so it forms precipitate. The product mixture is filtered to separate insoluble sodium bicarbonate It is dried and used as a component of baking powder and used as baking soda. Well, preparation is clear. Preparation we also discussed. Now its properties. Well, properties. Baking soda is a white crystalline solid. White crystalline solid. Solid. It is slightly soluble, sparingly soluble in water. Well, and it is mildly alkaline, mild alkaline, not a very strong and corrosive base. It is a mild base, insoluble in water, and a white crystalline solid, white crystalline substance. Next usage, it is the main component of baking powder. Baking powder is a mixture of baking soda and tartaric acid. Well, so baking powder is used to make bread soft, porous and fluffy. Thus, baking soda is used in bakery industry in the preparation of bread. In making bread soft, porous and fluffy, baking soda is used. Right? It is also used as antacid, used in antacid medicine to give relief from indigestion and acidity. It's a mild base, so neutralizes the excess acid in the stomach and give relief from indigestion and acidity. Well, the two important uses are: one, baking soda is used to make bread soft, porous and fluffy. Second important use, it's a mild base used in anti-acid medicine which give relief from acidity and indigestion. Well, next, why tartaric acid? Next point is baking soda. Baking soda is a mixture of baking powder and tartaric acid. Right? Now, why is tartaric acid mixed with baking soda? What is the role of tartaric acid? And how does baking soda helps in making bread soft, porous, fluffy, and delicious? Baking soda, in making bread, baking soda is mixed with the dry flour, sugar and hot water. Added to dry flour, right? And when water is mixed with the dry flour to prepare dough, this compounds baking soda, sodium hydrogen carbonate reacts with water forming sodium releasing carbon dioxide gas. Okay, reacts with water releasing carbon dioxide gas. Well, actually tartaric acid is also present there. So tartaric acid reacts with sodium hydroxide, sodium ion given by sodium hydrogen carbonate to form tartarate salt. Okay, tartarate salt improve the flavor, smell of bread, right? Tartarate salt give pleasant smell to bread. Well, the baking powder contains baking soda and tartaric acid. When added to dough, the baking powder reacts with water and tartaric acid, forming tartarate salt and releasing carbon dioxide gas. The carbon dioxide gas rises up through the dough So, thus the duff rises up, its volume increases, and as carbon dioxide bubbles rise up, it makes the duff porous. In this way, bread becomes soft, fluffy, and porous. If tartaric acid is not used in baking powder, then what happens? Right? The sodium hydrogen carbonate will react with water to form sodium carbonate. The base sodium carbonate, the base sodium carbonate will make the bread bitter. It has bitter taste. If tartaric acid is not used, then the bread become bitter due to the formation of sodium carbonate. Tartaric acid used in baking powder reacts with the sodium ion given by sodium hydrogen carbonate to form tartarate salt. Right? Tartarate salt is not bitter. It has pleasant smell, gives pleasant smell to the bread. I hope you have understood preparation of properties and usage of baking soda and baking powder. That's all. More the another important chemical compound, inorganic compound, I will discuss in next video. That's all.